So I was sitting on the floor, hair in a top knot, surrounded by art supplies everywhere, and I was just sat scrolling through Instagram, and I was so mesmerised by my favourite artist's work, and I tried to replicate her style. But the thing is, even when I copied it, it never looked as good, and I really wanted to create my own unique paintings, but every time I tried, it just looked like a mess. And I couldn't even enjoy painting anymore because I kept hearing, you're going to screw it up, you're wasting supplies, people are going to laugh at you for trying, and it just left me with half-finished artworks everywhere in all different styles, and ultimately I just felt like a wannabe artist. I don't know if you've ever felt that as well, but here's the thing, is that true art starts with your own ideas, and copying others might feel safe, but ultimately it won't help you find your own voice as an artist. Now instead, tap into your own creativity, learn both the why and the how, so that you can paint whatever you want without ever needing a tutorial. Now that is where the true creative fulfillment really begins.